A quiet traffic stop on a February afternoon quickly turned into a fight for survival on a Texas highway. When 33-year-old Ernest Manuel Montelongo gave state troopers a fake name, it set off a chain of events no one could have predicted. Within minutes, the suspect was speeding the wrong way on Interstate 10.
107, it's going to be, again, a Chrysler 300 4-door 2017, black in color.
Okay, I think I got him. He's on the access road right now, traveling westbound. Okay, he's on the wrong side of the road, trying to split the middle access road. Got front end damage. Just blew through the intersection at Zool Road, getting back up on 10. Smoking on the road. Just lost a tire. Now he's running on the rim. He is IH-10 and FM-1518 taking the exit. IH-10, 1518.
Hey, the Guadalupe troop, this 107, how far behind are you guys?
6631 to 107. We're underneath 1518 right now. I'm on 10. Got another unit on the access road.
Okay, 10-4. He's still slow rolling it, coming up to Frudenberg Road, still on the access.
DPS helicopter tracking his every move. What followed was a confrontation that ended in a hail of gunfire, leaving one man dead and a Texas trooper clinging to life. This is the real story behind the Bexar County highway shootout, captured on DPS cameras for the world to see.
Shots fired, troop down. Let's get EMS en route. Troops down, got a handgun. Troops down. It's gonna be a small caliber weapon. Either 9mm, something like that, to EMS, and he's shot in the right arm. 107, you got an ETA on EMS?
107, standby, we'll get an ETA.
7 to the troops. I think we're going to try to land and medevac him ourselves. Copy that?
107, will you be taking them to SAMC so that we can notify them?
University.
Confirming you said University?
University, San Antonio. And if you could find out what frequency their helipad uses.